Hi everyone, so today we're going to be reading The Earth Book by Todd Parr. And Todd Parr is an author and an illustrator, you're right. So what does an author do? What's an author's job? They write the words, good job, and the illustrator, what do? Draws the pictures, good. So Todd Parr does both. And we studied Todd Parr way back in November, and we did an author study on him. So let's take a look at his illustrations. What do you notice? What do you remember about his illustrations? Good. And what is this a picture of in the middle here? What do you see? The earth. Good. And who lives on the earth? We do. It's our home. You're right. So, what do you think the green part of the earth is? And what do you think the blue part is? Think about it with your families. Take a minute to talk about it. And we're going to read the Earth Book by Todd Parr and learn all about different ways we can help keep our earth clean and safe. So this is the Earth Book by Todd Parr. I take care of the earth because I know I can do little things every day to make a big difference. I use both sides of the paper and bring my own bags to the market because I love the, what do you see? Trees. And I want the owls to have a place to live. So why do you think bringing your own bags to the market and using both sides of paper helps the earth? How do you think that helps us? I turn off the faucet while I brush my teeth and use less water for my baths because So who do you think using less water will help? Take a minute to think about it. I love the, what do you see? Fish. And I want the oceans to stay, what color? Is the ocean the green part of the earth or the blue part of the earth? Blue. I take the school bus and ride my bike because why do you think this helps the earth? I love the stars and I want the air to be clear so I can see them sparkle. Because when there's too many cars on the road, they let out smoke and then you can't see the stars shine brightly. And who else shines bright in the sky? What insect do you see? It's a firefly. I tried to eat every bite on my plate and save my leftovers because I love watching things grow and I want there to be enough food for everyone. What are some things they planted in their garden? What do you see in the garden? What kind of animal do you see? I remember to turn off the lights and shut the refrigerator to save energy because I love the, what kind of bear is this? A polar bear. And I want the snowmen to stay cool. Where do polar bears live? Who remembers? I throw garbage in the trash can and recycle glass, aluminum, paper, and plastic. So do you remember what it means to recycle? When you recycle something, you can make it into something new. So they're recycling glass, aluminum cans, paper, and plastic because I love to walk barefoot in the grass, and I don't want to move to Mars. What's Mars? So here's what? Earth, and Mars is another planet. Do we want to leave our planet? No, because Earth's our home, so we want to make sure that it stays nice and clean. Should we throw garbage on the ground? No. Most of all, I help take care of the earth because, what do you see here? What animals do you notice? I want us all to be happy and healthy. So here are 10 ways I can help the earth. Do you think we can count to 10? Okay, everybody, let's get ready to tap our laps 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's see what Todd Parr says we can do to help our earth. Number 1, we can turn off the lights. So when you leave a room, we can turn off the lights to save energy. Number 2, we can recycle. So what are some things that we can recycle? We can recycle paper, we can recycle glass, we can recycle plastic, aluminum or tin. You're right. Number 3, we can save our leftover food. So if your family orders a pizza and you don't finish it, should you throw it away? No, what could you do with it? You could put it in the fridge and save it for later. Number 4, be nice to the worms. Do we remember where worms live? Miss Schuttinger read us a book about worm weather. Where did the worms live? In the dirt. So, should we put our garbage in the dirt? Do you think that would make the worms feel happy or sad? Maybe you could show us on your faces. Would putting garbage in the dirt make the worms happy? No, it would make them feel sad. So we want to be nice to them and keep their home clean too. We can share a book, just like I'm sharing a book with you now. Number 6, we can plant a tree and help gardens grow. We can plant trees, we can plant flowers. That helps keep our Earth's air clean. It gives us more air to breathe. Number 7, we can use both sides of the paper so we don't waste it. Number 8, we can save water. What are some ways that we could save water? We could turn off the faucet when we brush our teeth, and we can use less water in our baths and showers. Number 9, we can clean up trash. So if you're walking on the street or in your backyard and you see some trash, you can pick it up and put it in a garbage can. And number 10, put my underwear in the freezer when it's hot. Oh my goodness, Todd Parr's so silly. So those are some ways you can help save our Earth. Every one of us can help protect the Earth and make it feel good. Remember, if we take care of it, it will take care of us. Love, Todd.